A Bluebird Society, Red Bank's mayor, and a local park all came together to aid the local bird population. Tri-State Bluebird Society teamed up with Red Bank's mayor Holly Berry and built and placed several birdhouses around White Oak Park. The Tri-State Bluebird Society has a focus on saving bluebirds, but these houses are meant for any type of bird in need of a home for laying eggs.
Cavity nesting birds populations have taken, as Cornell reported in 2019 in a seminal report on bird population, that we're down about 3 billion birds from the 1970s. So anything we can do, we're going to do. And this is easy and it's fun.
She says the society focuses on monitoring the egg laying and hatching process.